Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to install the Quadratec spare tire LED brake light ring into your 07 to 18 Jeep Wrangler JK. Now our LED ring features 85 individual LEDs covered by a smoke lens that transform the voids between the spokes in your spare tire into a functional third brake light, helping to warn drivers behind you when you're slowing down and also add a little bit of style to the back of your Wrangler. Now this is not a DOT approved accessory, so it is not meant to replace your existing center high mounted third brake light. It's simply meant as an additional accessory you can add on. Now while there are other LED rings available out on the market, none install as easily or as quickly as the Quadratec spare tire LED brake light ring, and that's thanks to our exclusive plug and play Y harness that's been designed to simply plug in line between the factory wiring in your tailgate and your existing third brake light ring. You'll just need a few tools to get this installed. You'll need to grab a lug wrench or a socket and impact driver to go ahead and get your spare tire out of the way. And then you'll need a T20 Torx driver so that we can get our existing third brake light apart and access the wiring back there. We're gonna go and get started so we can show you how to get this installed. So now that we've got our spare tire out of the way, the first thing we need to do is go ahead and open up our tailgate so we can get to the back of the third brake light. We need to go ahead and grab our T20 Torx driver so we can remove the 4 screws on the back of our center high mounted third brake light. Now we can go ahead and shut the tailgate. Just make sure you keep a hand on this light so it doesn't fall. Once we get it down, you can see we've got a factory connector on the back side here. We can go ahead and disconnect. And then fish the wire out of the clips on the back side. So this is where that exclusive Y connector comes into play. We can go ahead and plug one of the 2 gray connectors, it doesn't matter which one, into the backside of our factory third brake light up top. Make sure that's fully seated, and then we can go ahead and snake the wire down through the factory routing here, making sure to secure it under this clip at the bottom. And then we want to leave the black and the gray connector hanging out of the bottom. We can go ahead and reinstall it onto the bracket on our tailgate. Now we can go ahead and grab the factory wiring coming out of the tailgate, and we can go ahead and plug that into the black connector on the Y harness. And you can simply hide that wiring down in the spare tire bracket. Next, we'll take the spare tire LED ring and we'll fish the wire up from underneath of the spare tire bracket. And we can simply place the LED ring right onto the studs on the spare tire bracket there. And we'll plug the last 2 remaining gray and black connectors together. And we can go ahead and reinstall our spare tire. That's all it takes to install the Quadratec spare tire LED brake light ring on your Wrangler. Now, if you want to check out your handiwork, you can do like I did. Go ahead and grab yourself a summer intern. Hey, Dustin, hit those brakes for us. Let's see how great that looks in the spare tire there. Now, if you guys want to get more information or purchase the Quadratec spare tire LED brake light ring for your Wrangler, you can click on that info button and head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the ring or the install, you can leave those for us below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. And you want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest product installs. Till next time, I'm Rob.
And we'll see you out on the trail.
Hit the brakes, Tommy. Hey. Hey Justin, go ahead and hit that brake.
I'm Justin. We'll see you out on the tread.
I already said your name. You don't need to plug yourself again.
See you out on the trail, man.
Don't say dad. You gotta be on it.